Last semester, when we looked at species counterpoint, one of the things discussed was what is and is not considered dissonant. To review, all perfect intervals, unisons, fifths, octaves, and major minor thirds and sixths are considered to be consonant. Note that I did not list the perfect fourth. In some schools of strict counterpoint, like the Palestrina style, that is considered a dissonance and is to be avoided. Also dissonant are any type of second, seventh, and of course, the tritone. For hundreds of years, these were the rules of counterpoint. But with Schoenberg and the Second Viennese School, the rules of music changed, beginning with what was called the emancipation of the dissonance. This quickly led to things like set theory and 12-tone music, which you study in your theory classes, although I'm more than happy to go over those in additional detail if there's interest. Related to this is the rise in dissonant counterpoint. Simply put, it's the inversion of the rules of counterpoint, favoring dissonant intervals over consonant ones. In the strictest form, as developed by Charles Seeger, musicologist, composer, and famously the father of Pete Seeger and husband to composer Ruth Crawford Seeger, all other rules of species counterpoint are observed, but consonances are to be resolved to a dissonance by small leaps or skips instead of steps, and dissonant intervals are preferred. Here's an example of our first species example baseline reharmonized with a dissonant soprano part. And here's an expanded four-part version. What a difference! Keep in mind that this generally involves using all 12 chromatic notes freely or in a 12-tone style, but it doesn't have to. You could also use your constructed scale from week 2 to get some interesting dissonances. But again, this is a much larger topic than we have time to get into in class. For now, just focus on creating dissonances on the strong beat, the occasional consonants on a weak beat, and resolving to dissonance.